Something unexpected just happened. Anthropic has officially brought Claude Fable 5 back, and thousands of developers are already seeing the announcement inside Claude Code. But this isn't a permanent release. It's a limited-time promotional offer that ends on July 7th. So, what exactly is Claude Fable 5? Why is everyone talking about it? And should you try it before the promotion ends? Let's find out. This isn't a rumor from social media. It's an official notification directly inside Claude Code. When users open VS Code, they see a message saying, Fable 5 is back. It also explains that until July 7th, subscribers can use Fable 5 for up to 50% of their weekly usage limit. When you click Learn More, Anthropic takes you to an official support page explaining the promotion. According to the company, this promotional access runs from July 1st through July 7th, 2026. During this period, eligible subscribers can use Claude Fable 5 without paying anything extra, up to 50% of their weekly usage limit. No activation is required. If you're eligible, the feature is automatically available. Not everyone gets this promotion. Anthropic says it's available for Pro, Max, Team, and eligible enterprise subscribers. Free users are not included. What happens if you reach the 50% limit? Fable 5 doesn't suddenly stop working. Instead, Anthropic gives you two choices. You can continue using Fable 5 with usage credits or switch back to another Claude model. Anthropic also mentions that Fable 5 consumes your usage faster than Opus 4.8. That's because it's designed for more advanced reasoning, coding, and complex AI tasks. More capability also means higher computing costs. This promotion isn't limited to Claude Code. You can also use Fable 5 through the Claude website, the desktop application, the mobile app, and Claude Cowork. However, API usage is not included in this promotion and continues to use standard pricing. If you already subscribe to Claude Pro or Max, this is probably the best opportunity to test Fable 5 before the promotion ends. Since no activation is required, you can simply open Claude and start exploring the model. If you're a developer, this is also a great time to compare Fable 5 with Opus 4.8 and see which model fits your workflow. The promotion officially ends on July 7th, after which Fable 5 will require usage credits for continued access. Whether you're interested in coding, AI research, or simply testing the latest technology, now is the perfect time to experience Claude Fable 5. If you found this update helpful, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments. Have you tried Claude Fable 5 yet? And how does it compare to your favorite AI model?